Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix some DNS server problems. I had a few problems with my computer not connecting to the internet properly, and I found a few fixes, and hopefully one of the methods that I show you here will help and fix your internet or your connection to the internet with your computer. So the first method we're going to do is resetting some stuff like our IP and WinSock. So you need to click here, type CMD, and you right click on the CMD here and run as administrator. And you need to do that because it requires some permissions that you won't be able to do unless you have the administrator. So in here then you want to type netsh int IP reset c./reset log.txt. So netsh stands for network shell, int internal, IP internet protocol, and reset. So this basically resets your IP address. Then you press enter and it'll say resetting global, okay, resetting interface, okay, restart the computer to complete this action. So obviously you need to restart the computer for this to take effect, but don't restart your computer yet because there's another thing we're going to have to reset. So then next you want to type netsh winsock and reset. So this is net shell again. Winsock is a thing. For God's sake, you need to reset winsock as well. So when you press enter, it'll also say successfully reset the winsock catalog. Once you restart your computer, then that'll work as well. So the last thing we're going to do is flush DNS. So you need to type ipconfig, I said that wrong, ipconfig space /flush DNS, enter. So I successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So make sure when you're typing this in that you have like a backslash, the colon in the right place, and all the letters are lowercase. If you have the wrong kind of stuff like that, it'll just feck up. So yeah, if you get some error here, just make sure you typed everything in properly. So that's the first method done. Hopefully this should work after you restart your computer, but if this doesn't work, then try shutting down your computer and unplugging it, and unplugging your modem and router at the same time, and leave them both unplugged for like 5 minutes and plug them back in, and then hopefully it should work then. If that doesn't work, then there's another thing you can do where so type or click on start again and type in here ncpa.cpl and press enter, and then it'll bring you to network connections folder, or not folder, whatever, and then you'll have your wireless network connection or whatever here. This is my one. So then you right click on this and go to, or right click on this, go to properties. It'll bring you here, Internet Protocol version 4, that's your IPv4 address. Click on that, click properties. So now you've got this window here, and you can, if you want to use the following IP address, you can click here and go to the CMD again and type ipconfig, and then you'll see default gateway here, IPv4 address here, and then you can just subnet mask there. You can just fill all that in. I don't need to do that because that wasn't a problem with my internet. Then also you have it. This should normally be clicked. So then you click this. Use the following DNS server addresses. So I have some here that you can use. The first one is 208.67 space 222.222 for the preferred DNS server, and then for the alternate one it's 208.67 space 220.220. So that's the first one. Or there's one that Google has. That's Google's preferred DNS address is 8888 for the preferred one, and 8844. So yeah, I don't need to use them, but you could try that and click OK, and hopefully that will work for you. And if none of this worked, you might have like a security issue, and the DNS server might not be working because of like a virus or something. So you want to try disabling your firewalls and then check if it's fixed, and also you could disable the security software like McAfee or Norton or whatever. And you could also try starting your computer with in safe mode with networking, and if it works there, then it's probably a problem with Norton, so you can just uninstall Norton, and then when your internet works again, then you can reinstall it. So hopefully this helped. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, and if this didn't work, then tell me in the comments what the problem is and I might know how to fix it. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.